Welcome to beautiful Peoria, Arizona. We are out here today. It's a beautiful, probably about 110 degrees out. I'm going to be showing you 7604 West Molly Drive. It is a gorgeous corner lot. This home right here we're going to be entering is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Just over 1,800 square feet. We're at about 1,882. Has some great curb appeal right here. It is a single-story home. This home was built in 2015. Got a little bunny right there. We are in the gated community of Rock Springs. So this home right here has a super long driveway. You could probably fit about 2 to 4 cars depending on the size of the car. It is extended and they do have a very large truck in the driveway. They did go ahead and paver this side driveway that enters back there, which is pretty sweet. This home is about a 3 to 5 minute walk to the community park, which is pretty awesome. All right, and my favorite part so far would definitely be this front little porch courtyard area. It's pretty spacious. You definitely could fit a lot of cool plants out here, some more patio furniture. They got some nice river rock right there. So we're gonna head on in. All right, welcome, welcome. Okay, so we're heading in here. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a den. So lots of space. It's a great size, great flow. All right, we're walking in right here. It is an open floor plan, as you can see. Tile throughout. So I'm from Massachusetts, so I always want to point out the taxes and then this amazing area. Your taxes on this 2015 home at 1,882 square feet, you're only at $2,021 a year for taxes. Well, that's pretty good. You break that up a month, you're less than $200 a month, which is pretty awesome. So it's a good sized den area right here. They do have some built-in cabinets, which is pretty nice. This home right now, we're selling at $610,000. Just pretty decent, pretty good for this area and location. It's pretty close to everything. Peoria is a great area out here in Arizona. This home is in the Deer Valley Unified School District. It's very well known. Another cool fact about this home, home sellers with a full price offer, you offer $610,000 on this home, they are willing to help you out with your closing costs and give you up to $10,000, which, I mean, in this market, that's pretty sweet. There's different loan programs you can buy that interest rate down. There's one called a 2-1 buy down. It's pretty awesome. So that's going to give you a lot more flexibility with lowering that monthly payment, making it a little bit more affordable. This home is also in an HOA community, and HOA fees are at about $105 a month. Pretty typical, nothing too crazy yet. So we're gonna come over here. You have a walk-in pantry. Sweet, looks like they did their Costco run, something I need to do sometime today. Lots of storage, lots of shelves. It's pretty sweet. This home is also north-south exposure. I know Arizona, it's hot. I mean, it's a little warm, I'd like to normally say, but we are in June, and I'm gonna say it's pretty hot right now. I don't know what's going on, a little heat wave, I guess you would say. This kitchen has this gorgeous glass backsplash, which is pretty, and granite. We got some granite right there. Cabinets are a nice dark walnut color. Windows are in great shape and got a great view of that backyard, which we're gonna hit in a couple of minutes. Just gonna head back this way. They do have ceiling fans throughout. The ceilings in here are pretty tall, which is nice, and rooms are pretty spacious. There's lots of room here. I mean, they have a super large couch. As you can see, it's pretty big. They got this beautiful barnwood, which, oh yeah, that's really nice. They did that back wall right there. Imagine sitting right here with that big screen TV, bada bing, bada boom. Gives you a little bit of flair. And your entry, I mean, there's so much you could do with that entryway right there. Entries are the way that, I don't know, it's the eye to the house. So I think an entry is pretty important. You always want to make sure that entry is welcoming and makes you want to walk further in, I guess you would say. This home is a split floor plan. So a split floor plan is one where the master bedroom, the main bedroom of the house, is separated from the other bedrooms, which is always pretty nice. You get that privacy and quiet when needed. Rooms on this property, they are pretty good size, pretty average for an 1,800 square foot home. This bed is large and in charge. So they still have room. There's still room in here for more. Also got another big TV here. The wall colors are a nice beige, very neutral, very easy to blend. Paint looks like it's in great condition. And then we're gonna go into the next bedroom. So that bedroom has some carpet. Main floors of the home are all tile. And then check this out. This is, I'm not sure what this, I think this is kind of a vinyl flooring, and it's super cool, like a science project. So you got all this decorative markings in here. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. I haven't seen anything like it. It matches the decor perfect. It looks like they are gamers. So it's a pretty popular thing right now, gaming. So it is ready to go. They have one of those cool ceiling fans right there. I actually put that ceiling fan in my bathroom. So those ceiling fans are awesome in the morning when you're getting ready and it's a little warm. You put that bad boy on and you're ready to rock it. Okay, ooh, all right. So this secondary bedroom has a wonderful walk-in closet. So the home definitely features a lot of great storage, which is wonderful. Oops, I think the laundry's done. All right, so we're gonna enter into the second bathroom. So you have tile in here. They also did a really nice backsplash right there, which is pretty cool. Look at this little Mickey Mouse emblem. I mean, that's easily removed if it's not your style, but they kind of went through with the decor. This one does have a tub and shower combo. So great if you're looking for something to bathe the kids, bathe the pets. All right. So pretty good shape, tiles in good shape. And you have your laundry area right here. You got some shelves up here, which is super cool. Again, property has lots of storage, which is always important. Most homes in Arizona don't have what we call basements. So storage is key. They have a good sized 2-car garage with lots of cabinets in here, guys. Check this out. Cabinets and those really cool storage bin holders up there, which you definitely want to make sure you have those if you are a collector. Always good to keep things organized. So I'm gonna walk on through this way. All right, so we entered here and den area. family area. And we're gonna keep adventuring on. All right, so we are headed into where the magic happens, baby. Woohoo! All right, so I just want to show you this. This is a great little closet area here. They're keeping their vacuums. It's a coat closet. I mean, you could put more shelving in here, use it for all different types of storage reasons. They have this beautiful, looks like luxury vinyl. Yes, ma'am. Luxury vinyl in the bedroom. And they have a king-size bed. This bedroom is pretty spacious. Again, paint is in great shape. You have some more views of this amazing backyard, which I'm super excited to show you. And get the bathroom right there. We're gonna check out the closet. So this right here would be my choice of the closet if this was the home for me. It's pretty good size. And they got this fancy cool light right here. I know, I wish I could reach so I could touch that right there. That's pretty bomb. All right, we're gonna head on this way. And now you're ready. If you need a little bit more closet space, we have the second closet. For me, I would take that closet over that I just showed you, and that would be mine, and this would be my shoe closet, because my husband would tell you I love shoes, and there's never enough storage. So 2 walk-in closets in the master bedroom. I mean, that's a win-win. And you have this beautiful tub shower combo. So it's not your typical white, boring tub shower combo. They did go ahead and add this beautiful tile. So you can kind of see it's pretty nice and great shape. They keep a clean house. I'm not seeing any gross grout marks and some things you sometimes see in some of the homes. And you have a double sink, which is pretty sweet. Great water pressure. And of course, the famous Arizona personalized little toilet room, also called the water room. Not sure why they call it the water room. Maybe it's the water shed. I can't remember the exact verbiage, but I've had clients that have called it the water room, the private room, whatever you want to go with works. Great archway right here. Super private, great space. We're gonna head on this way and we're gonna zing it to that backyard. I love backyards. So this home also has some amazing stainless steel appliances. Let's talk about this fridge for a minute. It's LG. I love LG. It's one of my favorites. Let's see if I can open this up. Oh my goodness, yeah, this is a great deep fridge. And the coolest thing, let's see if I remember right, I think this opens somehow by itself. Oh yeah, you ready? Luxury living, baby. You just gotta open this one little front door and boom. You don't have to open the whole thing. This is a great fridge. The island is a good size. You can kind of get the feel of that. All right, we're gonna go on out to probably gonna be my favorite spot in the whole home. All right, let's go. We got super tall sliding glass door. This home has a built-in outdoor kitchen. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this right here. It looks like they got possibly a smoker built in right there, but you got this granite countertop. You have an outdoor fridge. And there's seating. They also have like island seating right here, which is pretty sweet. Super cute. They have their grill set up there. I don't believe that stays with the property, but that's something that you could always purchase You know, maybe buy it off the owners. I'm not sure. You remember, everything is negotiable when it comes to real estate. So right here, we're gonna adventure this way. So backyard is super low maintenance. If you're looking for a low maintenance yard, this would definitely be low maintenance. They don't have any plants back here, nothing to take care of. They have it set up just to eat and relax. So this side area, I've seen some creative things going on lately with these side areas. You could kind of make this little area for your animals, block it off and just have them have their own space. Or I've seen it where they have like, there's a game, I think it's called Bags or something, where they set up different outdoor games, keep it away from the pool area. You do have a little bit of a mountain view right there, which is always amazing. That's the one thing in Arizona. So many views, so many great backyards. All right. I must say it's a little hot today, guys. So I'm trying to get this done and get you to see this beautiful pool. So this right here is a PebbleTech pool. It's in great condition. Water feature right there. And this home, I mean, I'm not sure if you're noticing this, but this home has gutters. So back home, we always had gutters on the property. We moved out here, you don't really see it, but we don't really get a lot of rain. But when we do, and you have those gutters in place, it definitely saves the water from going to your patio, which it's amazing. This right here leads down to that garage area. Pool's PebbleTech is beautiful. Looks a little deep. I definitely don't want to fall in. See, and I really don't know how to swim, and that could be kind of scary. All right, we're gonna head back in. Oh, got a little friend right there. Oh, much better. I'm gonna tell you what, the air conditioner works great. Just went out, came back in. It's way better inside. So yes, I'm gonna give this property probably out of a score of 10, I'm gonna give it about a 7. I think that if we put some plants in the backyard, it'd be a little bit more warmer back there. But easy maintenance is better for some, depending on what you're looking for. Condition of the home, it's in great shape. Doesn't seem like there'd be too many worries when it comes to the home inspection, which is always important. And the neighborhood's awesome. I mean, gated community in Peoria, you can't go wrong. The location is amazing. Curb appeal is on point, definitely on point. So yeah, if this is a property you want to see and you want more info on, shoot me a text, give me a call. All my info will be below. Have an awesome day.